Buying a fixer-upper in Tennessee, what you really need to know. If you've been thinking about buying a fixer-upper either as an investment or just more affordable way to own a home, this will save you a ton of stress. The truth, fixer-uppers are back in style for a reason. Not everyone wants a polished, move-in ready home. Some of my buyers want potential. Some want sweat equity. Some want a way to get into a neighborhood they couldn't afford otherwise. And some want an investment property they can slowly build up over time. But fixer-uppers look different in East Tennessee than in other states. We have older homes, inherited estates, properties that have been vacant a bit, and homes that need modern updating, not just cosmetic paint jobs. Buying a fixer here isn't just about vision, it's about knowing what you're getting into. Let's break down the pros first. Lower purchase price. Fixer uppers typically sell under market value, which means you get instant equity if you improve them smartly. Smaller competition pool. A lot of buyers skip anything that needs work that gives you leverage. Flexibility. You can customize the home to your taste or investment strategy. Long term wealth building. Fixers are incredible stepping stones, especially if you plan to live in, fix it, and roll the equity into your next home or rental. Now, the cons, and these matter. You must know the limits of your budget. Fixer uppers can go from light project to money pit fast if you don't know what repair costs. Older homes, older systems, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, roofs, windows. These are big ticket items most people don't think about. Inspection reports will be longer. That doesn't mean run, it means understand what matters and what's normal for the age. Some loans won't work. USDA and FHA have condition requirements. Conventional is more flexible, and rehab loans, 203K, homestyle are options, but not for everyone. Here's where buyers get in trouble and how I prevent it. Mistake 1. Only seeing cosmetic issues. Paint is fixable, foundation cracks aren't, a bad roof isn't, faulty wiring isn't. I hope you separate cheap fixes from expensive problems. You don't throw yourself into a mess. Not understanding repair timelines. If you're planning to live in it while renovating, you need realistic expectations. If you're planning to rent it, you need to know how long you'll be carrying it before cash flow starts. Falling in love too fast. Mistake number 3. Vision is good, but math is better. We will walk through numbers, comps, ARV, which is after repair value, neighborhood limits, and whether a project is worth it. My role as your buyer's agent with fixer uppers. I walk these properties with you, physically or virtually, and point out the things buyers often miss. I help you understand repair priorities, get contractor opinions if needed, run your numbers if it's an investment, compare ARV, evaluate neighborhood ceilings, choose the right loan type, negotiate credits or concessions, protect your inspection period, decide when to walk away. I'm not here to hype you up into buying a project. I'm here to help you buy the right project. A few real hurdles to be aware of. Insurance on older homes can be tricky. Old roofs, outdated wiring, wood stoves, these matter. Appraisals can require repairs, and the sellers may or may not agree to them. Materials and labor costs fluctuate. Tennessee is better than some states, but costs still vary seasonally. Permits matter. Even rural counties have rules for electrical decks, additions, etc. None of these are deal breakers if you know them ahead of time. If a fixer-upper is your way into homeownership, your first step into investing, reach out. I can help you spot the good opportunities, avoid the bad ones, and understand the numbers before you commit. This is where a dedicated buyer's agent makes all the difference.